Nick Collins is an Addy Award-winning web and mobile application creator. He is a well-respected authority in digital media, having spoken on the topic in the regional and international arenas. He is the CEO of Sartoris Digital, a full-service digital media agency, which helps businesses make the transition into the digital world and boost their online visibility and revenue. Welcome to the Tech Show, Nick.
Hey, thanks for having me.
What simple steps can businesses take to increase their reach and revenue through digital marketing?
Sure. So there's two schools of thought on this. There's the kind of paid traffic approach that most people do. That's where you see the ads on TV, radio, internet, and Facebook, that kind of thing. And that is really dangerous because it can be a real money hole if you don't do it right. The other school of thought is organic, where you're creating Facebook groups and you're really going to the communities where your market are and you're meeting them where they are. And to me, that's one of the better approaches because you're like I said, you're meeting them where they're at, and you're engaging them in a more personal level than you can through paid traffic.
What types of tailored technology are a must for today's businesses?
Well, I think social media is definitely, here to stay. So we definitely want to be making sure that your social media is tailored to your market. And that isn't just what you're saying, but where you're saying it and how you're saying it. You want to make sure that your customer is always front and center, and that the problems that you're trying to solve for them are always at the core of every message that you send them.
What is SEO and how can I use them to stand out amongst my competitors?
So SEO is search engine optimization. Essentially, these are things that we do with your website to make it stand out to search engines. Now, some of these things are more technical. They're things that you and your visitors never see on the surface. They're all under the hood. And those are sometimes the ones that get forgotten. But one of the most important things you can do is find other communities online that are talking about the same thing your website is about, the same problems you're trying to solve, and get people to write about you there, whether it's testimonials, customer reviews, things of that nature. Because what that does is that boosts your digital reputation and makes you seem more viable in terms of search engine listings than your competitors, the more you have.
What are the hot digital marketing trends right now that businesses can use to scale?
One of the biggest trends we've seen right now, and you've probably seen it on TV, is people want things to be raw and authentic, right? Especially the Gen Zs, the millennials, the younger generations. They want raw and authentic. What you really see online is like people doing little Facebook lives from their bed before they put on their makeup, and they want that real connection, right? I think it's something that we're missing in today's day and age in a lot of ways because of our focus on digital. And so the more raw your videos and your messaging appears, the more it connects with those younger demographics in particular. So that's one of the hot trends I've seen really taking off, and also really humor. Again, it's about the connection. Humor connects in such a way that facts and figures never will, right? So I think those are two trends that we're seeing. Some famous agencies like the Harmon Brothers with Squatty Potty and the Purple ads, exemplify that really well.
This is all great information. Where can we learn more?
So you can learn more about Sartoris Digital at our website, sartorisdigital.com. We're a full service digital marketing agency, everything from advertising to your digital marketing, website design, mobile apps, the full gamut.
Thank you, Nick.
Thanks. Have a good